Naga jing yo nam jong jela kum ka wei na gi than ya than chatai lamingi ka ri India ka ba it ya ka rwai ka siao bat ka tem ka pot u MLA ka Mawhati constituency ulawan ra sendan da jing terwai ka sarkar lengbau menteri ramba ka sarkar jela u konrad ke sangma bandan ka concert ka ba he hapo ka jela ha ka ba omdei de jing rwai shat jong ne ka perthai henry de ka gospel concert ka ba he man la ka Snem ka ba gi nong rwai kin rwai tang ya gi jing rwai yaro la ne ki jing rwai niam Kabalik se, dengan jing Pynlong ya gospel concert. Day tang ba kin nong rwai kin yo ban rwai, Henry kan penrem ru ye kemen sim syakri jong kin nong sengap ye ki jing rwai, bat ban pen klan ye ki jing long jing em babha, jong ki khun samla hapo ka jela. Nalor ka jing bu ye ketika jing ajung mut ban bu naga gospel concert ka bahe man la ka Snem, uba Charles Marngar ula ban rap ru, sa ka jing don kam ban itu no ye ka kong Margaret Patau. Kabadai kan nong ye khun keti ba pau nam gari kabalala ban wanra ya shibon kita kema bat kinam champion ne ka ladu na ki lempung baper ki bala Pynlong ha keleng giri ki perthai da ka bola kentu ban Pynlong ye ka kum ka wei na ki nong raktin ne ka brand ambassador jong ki company baper ki bami napo ka jela kum bale lem ki wei ki jela ha kari shushu ula kentu ro ban penmang ka song pisa khambun ha ka ban penne pensa ya ki riti ki dustur jong ki jaj ban reu ka jela la ka dei ha ka le niam ka le rukom bat ki wei ka jing pan ye ka jing rap na ka banta ka jing bit jing biang jong ki nong rap ha ka jela kenthop ya ki nong rap so trun ki nong rap sing lembat ki wei ki mar rap ki balong ki lat ki lenti ban kersian ye ka jing don kam ki babon ki long ying kham tam ha ki shanong nong kendong.
Our state has emerged as one of the top 3 concert destination in India. This is a matter of great pride for all of us. Mr. Chairman, sir, I sincerely hope the government will continue to build on this momentum and work toward making Meghalaya the music capital of the country. In this regard, Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to place one suggestion before the House. A suggestion that reflects the heartfelt desire of gospel singers across the state, sir. I propose that the government consider organizing one major annual platform exclusively for gospel singers, sir. Such a platform would not only nurture talent but also strengthen a spiritual and cultural fabric. I'm confident that our people will be greatly blessed through this initiative, sir. Sir, when we speak about sports, I would also like to express my appreciation to the government for its continued support to our sports persons. I particularly thank the government for recognizing Srimati Margaret Patau as a district ambassador for the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao initiative. Srimati Margaret Patau brought great pride to our state by winning a gold medal at the 43rd World Arm Wrestling Championship in 2022 held in Turkey. As a public representative from Ribhar district, sir, I'm very proud for Srimati Margaret Patau. She is also a 5-time national champion of champions in arm wrestling. And she remains the only woman from our state to have achieved the distinction of becoming a world champion in arm wrestling. Sir, I would like to suggest that the government, if the government could consider recognizing her as a state ambassador. Such recognition would inspire countless young girls and boys in our state Meghalaya. One more point, sir. Happy to see that our pineapple were very popular even in Delhi. I would like to talk about promoting of pineapple plantation in Dorbar district and in the state as a whole. Sir, I am truly delighted to learn that our pineapple have been highly appreciated and gained popularity in the country. This recognition is a matter of great pride and encouragement for our farmers, sir, whose hard work and dedication have made this possible. Dorbar district remains one of the most suitable regions to further promote and expand pineapple cultivation among our people. As we are all aware, Nongkra village under the Nongpo constituency, sir, is one of the leading areas for pineapple cultivation, known for producing some of the sweetest pineapples. I would also like to highlight that That village, I think this is new, it's very new for all of us in this August house. This Thatch village is fall under my constituency and is equally suitable and holds immense potential for pineapple plantation with produce of comparable quality and taste. Therefore, I humbly urge the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly consider this matter and extend support toward promoting and strengthening pineapple cultivation in these areas. Such initiatives will greatly benefit our farmers and contribute to the overall development of the district and the state as a whole. Last but not the least, sir, just 1 minute. During my speech on the motion to the governor address, I've already mentioned about broom grass farmers. One more point, sir, that I want to share in this August house regarding the ginger farmers. Sir, the government has done tremendous work for our farmers through many initiatives. I have one more suggestion, sir, and also I urge the government to kindly do something for our ginger farmers, sir. If you can set up more processing unit, and also as what we did for our broom grass farmers, we constituted a marketing board. So in this regard also, sir, I would like to suggest the government to let us constitute a marketing board for a ginger farmer. Let me come to conclusion, sir.
Kindly, one of you speak.
Constitute a marketing board as we have done for broomstick. This also, sir, I hope that it will be a blessing for a ginger farmer in the state of Meghalaya.